Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. We will design a minimal abstract wallpaper using shapes. Create a large HD canvas. Choose a soft pastel shapes like circles. Place the first circle in the center. Add overlapping circles around it. Change their colors to create soft gradients. Now add subtle geometric shapes outlines. Reduce their opacity for smooth blending. Place thin lines shaped diagonally. Add small dots for minimalist details. Keep enough empty space for cleanliness. Balance colors until the mood feels calm. Now add a small code text if needed. Review composition flow. Your minimalist wallpaper is ready in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.